Hi everyone, I am Nicole and I'm currently studying in IP4, and today I'll be sharing about my experience in mathematics in TJ. My initial journey in mathematics in TJ was filled with ups and downs. When I first came to TJ, I thought I was doing alright. However, I soon realized that mathematics in primary school and mathematics in an IP school were two totally different ballgames. I was not achieving my desired results, and I was scared and struggling. Thankfully, my tutors helped and supported me, and with their guidance, I was able to achieve my desired results. I learned that it was okay to struggle, and that such challenges helps to stretch our abilities. I also learned that what's most important is the process of learning, and not just the final results. In TJ, mathematics goes beyond the classroom. Besides the usual worksheets and assignments, students are also given math projects where we get to explore different aspects of mathematics as well as apply the skills learning class in real life. A distinct memory I have is the math trail back in 2018. The math tutors came up with a fun and educational program where groups of students went around the school to solve math problems and collect clues to obtain a final answer. The program was fun and enjoyable, and it made me realize that math is applicable everywhere, not just in the classroom or on paper. It also made me come to love and appreciate the subject so much more. A key aspect of my journey in mathematics in TJ is the Temasek Academy. Through this program, I got to meet new people and work together with them to challenge the process and think out of the box, to think of different solutions to solve different problems. We discovered various ways to apply math in our daily lives, even in simple games like tic-tac-toe or scissors, paper, stone. Through this program, we learned that math is all around us and is so much more than just a subject. We even had the chance to learn coding from our own math tutors. The content taught is far beyond our syllabus, and each session stretches us further and further. However, with the right mindset and attitude, anything is achievable. And as each session stretches us further, we are able to go beyond what we think we can do. I am very grateful to have been given so many amazing opportunities to grow and study mathematics while appreciating and enjoying the subject.